Hello guys, it's the Devinator here back in for another video, and today we are going to be doing something very different from the norm, very brand new to me as well. We're going to be modifying my car. I bought a 21 Honda Civic, and yeah, I got a Torque Solutions blow-off valve adapter, and this is going to be the first power modification for it. So yeah, today we're going to be installing that. I'm going to get the tools together and then we'll get to see how that goes on. Alright guys, so right now we're in the back of the hatch. We have a torque wrench with an 8mm. That's going to be to get the stock bolts out. And then we have a 10mm, and that's for these new longer bolts that are going to go in after we sandwich the thing in between the stock blow-off valve. So I'm gonna go pop the hood and get all that open, and then we'll move up front. Alright, so now we're up in the front of the engine bay, and down here you're gonna see they're already marked for us. We got 3 bolts to take off right there. Those should be our 8mm, and I'll get back to you when I get those off. Alright, so as you can see, we got the bottom 2 out, and then I got the top one loose. When we get this one out, it should just hang there. And then we should be able to sandwich the other one in. Then hand tighten the first couple bolts. Sorry, I can't really show you. Yeah, it's been about maybe 5 minutes so far, not too long. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Alright, yeah, I've just been keeping all the stock ones in my pocket. And this just looks like it comes off with the plastic piece. That's it. Alright, so as you can see, we got everything finished up in there. And now we're gonna go on a quick drive and see how it sounds. Okay guys, we're gonna go out on a drive and see how it sounds, and I'll show you the clips when we record them. Alright, here we go.